Alright, homegirl, this is for you. Your first card, this is your heart situation, is the Two of Water, okay? The Two of Water is letting you know that a relationship that continues to grow closer, there is a time for forgiveness right now. There is a positive resolution to a conflict. And new relationships, or whatever, it could be something of the past, like having closure with a situation, and it will grow closer. But there is some type of forgiveness, whether it be on your part, receiving or giving, or the other person. I'm feeling more it's the other person. And it's letting you know that there is a very, very strong positive resolution to this conflict. So whatever conflict you're going through and juggling through right now of something of the past, you're going to start seeing some clear water. You have the Eight of Earth, which is over you, which just crosses you. The Eight, this is a number of healing, because of it being Earth, which is North. It's letting you know that whatever skilled work that you are dabbling in, you will be rewarded soon. Also, too, it's reminding you to, basically, in a nutshell, almost kind of like going back to school and learning more things, even if it means just going to the library, picking out a few books, and reapply. So saying, like a lot of artists team up with blacksmiths. You know, somebody that has, knows the skill, knows the metal, knows the heat, and then the artist can be like, can you apply this design? So that's kind of like how I see your situation going. And this is someone with dark hair and dark eyes. What's below you is the Ace of Air, and this is possibly someone you have a child with. And this is someone with light eyes, someone with current obstacles, but you have come to a foundation of it because it's at the base of your Celtic cross. This is letting you know that this is the time when brilliant new ideas and inspirations are coming to you. And to make sure that you're seeking the truth. So basically that you trust your gut or you'll be in a rut. Because it's going to be challenging new beginnings for you. But it's going to be all right because your first stepping stone towards that is the Star card. And this is a reminder to let you know that to basically be optimistic and to stay positive. Whatever you're planning right now, make sure they are long-term goals. You are definitely on the right path, and happy times will be coming to you very, very soon. And the dark hair, dark eyes, this is King of Earth, so possibly someone with someone that knows a lot about healing. And they're having a very successful time currently at the moment. And they're constantly will accept any kind of opportunities or offers that is given to them. So kind of like the Midas touch. And it kind of crosses over your heart situation. So whoever this individual is that's been part of your past or part of healing, if there's like some type of business or situation of some kind of finances, it's basically letting you know green light go. Even if the person is just balancing budget right now, because this is the Two of Earth. And basically it's reminding you that there's a lot going on with this person. Maybe too much might be going on at once, which could make you hinder a decision with this person. Maybe you need to make a decision with this person. And just make sure that you consider a playful approach. If you have to talk about something serious that's going to get you heated, maybe it could be something that, won't bother you as much. Like taking a playful approach about it. Like, yeah, what's up, asshole? We're good for that. This is how you should be seeing yourself. This is the Seven of Water. Seven of Water is someone with light brown hair, fair skin. This is letting you know this is a time of a complex decision. The number 7 is letting you know it is a bumpy road, but you are on the right path. Right now, whatever the procrastinating is happening, make sure you do some research because sometimes when we procrastinate things, we know where it's going to lead us to and we don't want to know. So that's just reminding you to just basically make sure all your ducks are aligned and that you make sure that nobody's pulling the wool over your eyes, basically, especially with someone with light brown hair and fair skin. And this is your house environment. This is someone that either comes in and out of your house or someone that is like around you or actually lives in your house. And this is someone with light brown hair, and it is a female, and it's letting you know that the relationships are developing to a new level. And basically trust your intuition. Again, trust your gut or you're going to be in a rut. And to make sure that you're taking a little more time out for yourself and others. And others could be like people outside of your norm circle that you might not normally talk to, or even somebody in the family. But right now is the time for you to take care of yourself. And it's also a time of healing. And it's just going to make relationships in the household that much more stronger. Your hopes and fears is the 3 of air. Okay, this is someone with blue eyes, hazel or gray, but I'm picking up on blue. And this is going to be a time of great sadness. It's going to be a time for you to heal and the need to forgive yourself and others. And this can go in many aspects. It depends on how it lies in your life. Like for myself, great sadness or whatever. And it's, like a relationship not working out and you don't want to be with them, but a great sadness could be news of them, ODing or end up in a car accident, something of that nature. And you might need time to heal. So if you feel yourself judging yourself on certain situations, if someone around you you've come full circle with, and you are taking any great sadness in it, make sure that you're not taking it to heart, because people are human beings. They're going to make their own choices. We can't always do the choices for them. So your final outcome card is the 10 of air. You have some more minor obstacles coming, but you're on the right path. You are going to have the end of situations. Definitely embrace the change. It's very earthquake-like under your feet, but you're going to be okay. Whoever you need to find, whether it be yourself or whoever you are dealing with from recovering from any type of addiction, make sure that you're embracing the change. This is basically hit or miss. Basically, if you don't pay attention to what's going on in your money house because your creativity level is going on right now, and if you find yourself even detoxing negativity out of your life, or somebody around you detoxing, anything of that nature, make sure that you're thinking of yourself, and it's not going to hinder you from moving forward, which you have to move forward with your business right now. Because that's where you're going to find your financial guarantee, and you'll feel a little bit, better about yourself and stuff. So, whoever this person is with the light eyes, don't let it get you down. It's just a minor obstacle. We've all been through worse, and it's going to be okay. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to inbox me on Facebook, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So, take care, and thank you for the reading.